we understand that candidates have many choices. It's a very competitive industry, the IT industry. But we strive to find the best fit not only for Smartronix, but for our client.
We are competing for the same people with the same talent as our competitors are, so we feel like what we can bring to the table is really the employment experience, the technologies, the programs that we're working on.
Cloud computing is a huge growing industry. Smartronix has a large section of the company dedicated to that. It's more of our commercial side, and that's one of the reasons why we came up with our external referral bonus program. We speak to candidates and we want to give them a very unique experience, engage with everybody so much so that even if they don't choose to join Smartronix, they would still develop a relationship with us and refer friends and family to us.
Clear talent makes the world go round at Smartronix.
We have departments that support all the services, the Army, Navy, Air Force, Special Operations Command. So obviously cleared candidates are very important to us.
80% of our employees are cleared, and half of that are cleared at the top secret level.
Finding cleared talent on clearance jobs is so much more easy than any other site that I've utilized. When I got to Smartronix, it was not one of the sources that we used for recruiting, and it was the one that I definitely pushed for. So shortly after I arrived at the company, we did switch over to clearance jobs, and it's been extremely successful for us. The functions and features that they have are fantastic. I can direct message a candidate. I can see if they're online. I can find candidates that are on the West Coast that want to relocate to the East Coast. I get to see more than just a resume with bulleted points. I get to see a profile that these people have taken the time to build, and that gives me a chance to look at more than just one piece of paper with their background and history. I'm impressed when a candidate takes the time to look for more than just a job, when they've done their research on the company, when they know more about the corporate culture, the mission, and the goals. I'm impressed when they look for a career instead of just a job.